Okay, we're patching back our hole in the wall now. You can see we've made our plumbing repair. And in this case, this little section of wall was put in with these boards going across here, so it kind of worked out nicely for us. But if you end up with a hole in the wall and don't have anything to mount it to, you can take any kind of scrap board like this and just put it across, and it needs to be a little bit longer than this, but put it across there and put a screw here and a screw there, and it will kind of act as a mounting board for your patch. But we already have one, so let's put our patch in. Now in this case, I was able to use the same piece that I cut out, so I knew it would fit. But if you can't do that, it's okay. Just a little help. Now we're going to go put on our tape. And I've taken the time to cut one of these ahead of time. But you got to just stick your mesh tape on there. And here's how we do it. Go across the joint. Take a utility knife and just cut it. Now one thing to remember is that if you overlap the corners, it might be okay. It's going to be good and strong, but it's going to build up a thick layer here. When you try to feather out your drywall mud on top of there, you'll have a bump. So in this case, we ought to avoid overlapping the corners so we can get a smoother job at the end. Just a little hint, when you stick down your mesh tape, stick it off to the side like that so that you can find it. Otherwise, it's really hard to find where the end is. Okay, that's how you do a patch in the wall. And now we're ready for some drywall mud.